Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox app. Once you open, just tap on this three dot here. As you can see, this three dot. Now you just need to go to in settings here. Now you just need to go to in privacy. Can you see this? Privacy. Now once you're in the privacy, guys, you just need to scroll down and you can see that here is a microphone. Just tap on this toggle button to enable it and disable it. So I have to enter the code here to disable it. So basically you can do this since I'm disabling it, that's why it is asking me the pin. You just need to tap on this toggle button to enable it, and once you enable, guys, uh, once you turn on this microphone from here, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication to turn on mic voice chat. So when you open a game, just close this window, and when you click on this play button, just click on this and click on this. Now to turn on mic or voice chat, you just need to tap on this mic over third head. Tap on it, and now you can easily talk to anyone in the game, guys. And that's how you can turn on voice chat on Roblox mobile. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.